I used a Lysol solution in my Hoover carpet cleaner, and now when I put solution in the reservoir it just flows right out. Is it worth repairing or buying a new one? Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. I'm Smitty. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. The problem is past that seal, I'm sorry to say. Lysol has chemicals in it that eat the rubber that the internal pump seals are made of. That allows a free flowing of any liquid you put into it after that. Your next problem is whether the unit is worth repairing. To determine that, I will need the model number, please.
Model number F586900.
Thank you. Looking this up now. Please stand by. Good news. The pump is only about $25 plus S&H. As for the repair, it is pretty involved. You will need a good mechanical aptitude to get to the pump and replace it. The reason I say that is there are no repair documents other than the parts breakdown. Please click here to order the part. It is part number 14. To view the breakdown better, click on View in Full Screen at the bottom left of the picture. Thank you for allowing me to assist you. As you know, we work on the honor system here. This will not close your question, or prevent you from asking follow-up questions. Please consider clicking bonus as a nice way of saying thanks for a job well done, although this is neither required nor expected. Please read this before you rate.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.